Hello, good afternoon everyone. This is Linda with Linda Sue Plants for you. I know it's been a while since you have heard from me and I apologize. It's something that can't be helped, but I do come whenever I can, and I really miss talking to you guys even though we can't converse in person. I know there have been a few of you that have reached out to friends of mine wondering if I'm okay. Yes, I'm okay. As long as I'm living and breathing and walking, I consider myself okay. I've had some setbacks here, but I'm still pushing through, and I'm back again, and I have a lot to show you, but it's going to be probably a while before I can do everything I want to do here. So if you'll check back periodically, that would be great. I love doing these videos. I love the plant community. I love very much being a part of that, and there's a lot of great people on YouTube in this plant community, and I appreciate all of you. So, alright, something happened here that is really confusing to me. I put in an order at Logee's for 5 plants. One of them they said was on back order, and it might be several months before they have it in, and I'm okay with that. So this was May 10th is when I put the order in, and the other day I went in to check the tracking number, and it said I would have that order here by this Wednesday, the 3rd. And I assumed it was for the other 4 plants that I ordered. Well, I had a medical appointment today, and when my husband and I got back and we were approaching the porch, I saw this box, or he saw it first actually. He said, "Ooh, you got a package." I said, "I do, I'm not expecting one." And sure enough, it was from Logee's. Well, when I picked it up and realized how light it was, I thought there's no way all those plants are in there. So let's go and see what I found. And I did take a peek, I have to tell you. So it's going to be a surprise for you. I opened it up already, and of course they always give instructions, unpacking instructions, and whatever else is on there, watering and transition and what have you. And then I looked at the invoice and saw there was only 1 plant. And that plant is the one that I wasn't expecting for a while because it was on back order. So there is 1 plant in this box. It's going to be a very short unboxing, but it's a plant that I've wanted for a while, and hopefully it's in good shape. Get this out of the way. The name of this is Philodendron Moonlight, and I don't know if you can see this, if it's showing up good on the camera, but it's a little bit sad looking. The leaves are kind of soft and floppy, but you can see there's new growth coming up. Right? Hopefully you can see that. It's awful wet. And it's got of course it's got the stick on to keep the leaves from getting squished. And I like that when they put that in there. I've only sent plants out a couple of times in my short YouTube career, and I used skewers that you would use, wooden skewers that you would use for when you're barbecuing, and those work too. I just stuck them in the soil, and because it protects this from getting squished, because it's going to hit the top of this. So I like to see that in there, but I'm going to really have to take this apart and get it. I think I'm going to take the soil off of here because it is very, very wet and very heavy. Now that shouldn't be a problem being it's a philodendron, but I can see a little bit of, it's got some issues here. Nothing, you know, to cry about or write home about or whatever, but it's going to need tending to right away. So I'm going to do that shortly. I'm going to be getting the other box with the other 4 plants. Should be coming on Wednesday. And when they do, I will definitely do an unboxing. And in addition to that, I have my porch is, my husband and I went a while ago and we purchased some plants for our front porch. And those of you that have been following me for a while, you can go back and look at my outdoor or exterior video from last year and see what it looks like, or what it looked like. And we build on it every year, and we change things out, and we still have a lot to do, but unfortunately that's the stuff that I used to do that I'm not able to anymore, so it falls on my husband, and he's got a lot to do. So it's slow but sure, but we'll get there. It looks pretty good already, but I still got some work to do. But once I have that the way I want it, then I'm going to video it and I'll bring it to you guys so you can see what we're doing. In the meantime, everybody stay safe with everything going on in the world. It's just can become very overwhelming some days, I know. And I want to give a shout out for Pammy from Pammy's Planty Things. Keep her in your thoughts and prayers, please. She's very, very close to the real serious violence that's going on there. And she lives alone, but she has her dog Buddy, so. But she said it's pretty bad, so keep her in your thoughts and prayers. Her site is Pammy's Planty Things, in case you don't know her. And I also want to give a shout out to my friend Suzette from Suzette's Gardens, and thank her for encouraging me and cheering me up and helping me along on days that are really bad. So thank you guys, and hope to come back Wednesday, if not before. So check back or subscribe if you haven't, and then don't forget to hit the notification bell. I've had people say to me that they have subscribed, but they never know when I'm gonna have, or they miss my videos, and then they wonder why, because they're subscribed. Well, the reason is you've got to hit that bell, and then it'll give you 3 choices. I think it's all, none, or personal. You want to hit all, and that will give you an alert when I do my next video. Okay, so this is it. Philodendron Moonlight. Love that color. Very pretty. And I think it's going to be beautiful. If you want to see what this looks like when it's big, go on Logees.com and look this up, and you'll see what a big plant like this looks like. It's really very stunning. Okay, so I hope you all have a peaceful evening, and until next time, take care. Bye now.